What's up, everybody? Justin, still live here at IT Connect. We're in the pavilion. I'm with my boy Callan from Synthreo. He's got a great new product I want to tell you about. Tell everybody at home, what's it about?
So, in short, there's an AI asteroid. Everybody knows about it. Our goal is to make MSPs the mammals afterwards. So what we do is we have a builder, a customer-facing suite, and we all help MSPs offer AI as a service. We are as much a services company as we are a technology company because we realize that it's really hard to build things and get things off the ground.
This is awesome because I'm thinking about the fact that MSPs can now build their own AI within their own platform and then also sell that to their customers and help build their customers' AI platforms as well, yeah?
You nailed it. And we're very dedicated to the channel. I've been at it obviously for about 24 years. My partner had an MSP 15 years and exited. And really what we've tried to do is make sure that we lead through channel first. There are features in the channel I was just talking about that, like export. We are in pure Python, so it's really easy to take what we've done and move it to other places. We don't want any vendor lock-in. We want to win off of providing value and a great experience for MSPs and their customers.
It sounds like a real good unreasonable hospitality moment there for you.
I like that. Yeah, no, I love that. I remember years ago when we did the VR guest training from Disney and didn't end up working out at ConnectWise, but we still took those tenets and took it all the way through.
That's awesome. Well, Dan, thanks for being here. Thanks for doing what you do for MSPs. We'll be back with some more.